Zoom in on natural disasters. Earthquakes by Andrea Rivera. Science. Earthquakes shake the ground. They happen when Earth's crust shifts. The crust is made of pieces called plates. The plates move slowly. Sometimes their edges get stuck. Energy builds up. When the edges break apart, the energy is let out. It shakes and cracks the ground. Technology. Scientists cannot predict earthquakes, but they can track moving plates. They use special tools. The tools help them know what happens underground. They use seismographs too. These tools show an earthquake's strength. They also show where it started. Engineering. Engineers study how buildings react to earthquakes. They make safer buildings. Some new buildings can bend. They will not break when an earthquake shakes them. Art. Luke Jerem made a sculpture. It looks like seismic waves from an earthquake. Jerem used a computer. He made the waves look 3D. Then he printed them. Math. A scale uses numbers to show an earthquake's strength. Earthquakes rated below 5.0 will not cause much harm. Earthquakes rated above 7.0 are very dangerous. There are about 50 earthquakes each day. Most are too small to feel. The strongest recorded earthquake was a 9.5. It was in Chile in 1960. Key stats. About 80% of earthquakes happen along the Ring of Fire. This area goes around the Pacific Ocean. Most earthquakes last for a few seconds. Big ones may last for 10 to 30 seconds. The longest-lasting earthquake was on December 26, 2004. It lasted more than 8 minutes. Earthquakes often cause other natural disasters. They can cause avalanches, landslides, or tsunamis. Pacific Ocean. Ring of Fire.